Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel, where bag making is made easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make this beautiful bag. It's a two-in-one bag. You can carry it as a backpack and as a tote bag. So it's having a outer pocket, as you can see, and also it has an inner pocket. So this bag is very easy to make. Make sure you watch this video to the very end. Alright, let's get started. So we need two leather material. The length of our material is 14 inches and the breadth of our material is 13 inches. We also need lining of the same measurement, 2 as well. We need a material for the front pocket. The length is 7 inches and the breadth is 7 inches. So I already used my pinky scissors to design all the edges. You can fold it like this if you don't have pinky scissors. So next, we'll be needing a lining for the inner pocket. It's folded, so you should take note of that. The length is 7.5 and the breadth is also 7.5 inches. So we need a long strap for our handle. We need 2 of this. So for the measurement, the length is 38 inches. So you can make yours longer than that if you want. So next, now we need our zipper cloth. Fancy is completely optional. We need 2 rings. We need 2 adjuster. We need 2 zip head. And then we need this strap for design. Is also completely optional, it's not compulsory. So the length is 28 inches by 1 inches. So the breadth is 1 inches. So we need 4 strap. They're of different measurements. This 2 is 2.5 inches and these ones are 3 inches. So this one that is 2.5 inches, I already burned them by the side so it won't lose. You should take note of that. So these are the materials needed. So we'll be sewing the front pocket. Make sure you leave 3 inches under and you make sure the measurements left by both sides are equal. So it should be at the middle. So we stitch it like this. So this is it. I already stitched my fancy to it. So next we'll be measuring 3 inches, 3 inches on both sides, and then we fix in a long handle, so we clip it, and we do the same for the other side also. So we clip it and stitch. So for the back material, we are to measure 3 inches also, and we come down by 1 inch. So we do the same thing on the other side. We measure 3 inches like this and we come down by 1 inch. So we'll be placing this short strap, the one of 2.5 inches. Remember, I said I burned the side. So we place it like this. And then we stitch. So we measure 3 inches also. downward on both sides 3 inches. So the second set of strap of 3 inches, we put it in our ring like this and we attach it to the material. So we do the same thing for the other side. We put in the strap into our ring and we attach it also. And then we stitch them. So this is it. Now we'll be sewing the long strap to our handle. We place it like this on the handle and we make sure we leave 5 inches at the top. Let me turn the material so you can see it very clearly. So you place it straight on your handle. That's why I say it's completely optional. So you stitch it. And we repeat the same thing for the other handle. We make sure we leave 5 inches up and then you stitch it. So this is what we have. Next, we'll be sewing our zip cloth. Already attached the 2 zip head. So make sure the right side is facing each other and then we stitch. So we'll place the other part of our zip cloth on the back material also and we stitch it as well. So what we'll be doing next is that we'll make sure it's equal like this and then we clip it round. We clip everything round. So after we are done clipping it, we stitch it up. So now we are going to open the bag like this and then we fold it this way. So we measure out 2.5 inches. Make sure you open the seam allowance like this and then you stitch. So we repeat the same thing for the other side. So now we cut. So we just turn in our bag to the right side. So that is it for this part. So for the inner pocket, make sure your lining is on the wrong side. You can pin it with your office pin to make it firm. So you stitch it and stop here. So this is what we have. So now we trim the edges so that we can turn it easily. So if you've watched in this extent and are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. And you can always ask your question in the comment section. You're free to share and give me a thumbs up. So now we turn it from this space we left. We stitch. Place it on the back side of our lining and make sure you leave 4 inches below. We stitch it this way. Our pocket is ready. So we just place the other part of our lining on it like this and then we stitch it up. So we fold it like this and we measure 2.5 inches and we stitch. We repeat the same thing for the other. Now we cut it. So now we want to get the middle. So you fold it exactly this way and then you notch. So repeat the same process for the other side. And we'll do the same thing for the bag itself. That means the leather material. Make sure the 2 seam allowance are together so that you can get the middle correctly. So we notch it and repeat it also for the other side. So you make sure your leather material is on the right side and your lining is on the wrong side. So you put it inside like this. Make sure everything is inside the lining. So the two notched plates, you bring them together like this, and then you clip. This is to make sure that everything is well placed, to avoid every form of irregularity. So repeat the same thing with the seam allowance. Now, remove one of the clip like this, and then we measure from the notched place, you measure 2.5 inches. And on the other side too, you measure 2.5 inches. So you stitch from the mark point and you stop on the other marked point. So this space we left is what we use to turn our bag to the right side. So we fold that part like this, and then we stitch it up. We top stitch our bag round. So now we'll be fixing the handle. We cross it this way, exactly like this. So you put it through this hole. The exact way it was crossed, and we put the other one like this. So now we'll be using our adjuster. We put our handle into the adjuster like this. I will place it inside the ring and bring it out through our adjuster like this. So we fold the edges and stitch. Same thing with the other handle. We place it inside our adjuster like this. And then we insert it through the ring and bring it out through the adjuster also. Then we fold the edges and then we stitch. Our bag is ready. So you can carry it as a backpack and as a tote bag. I really hope you're enjoying this video. You learned something from this video. So do well to subscribe, share, like, leave a lovely comment. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. So this is the inner pocket of our bag. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.